Hi, welcome again to another math class at Ms. Delore. What we're going to learn is about subtracting integers. Okay, so go ahead. I hope you have your notes in front of you. My pen is not working good. Hold on. So you have subtracting, alright, subtracting integers. Alright, integers. So subtracting integers is a little bit how to call this complicated than adding integers because there's one step before you can really operate the the operations of adding the integers. Okay, so example I have here is negative 5 minus 2. Okay, so technically we're going to have here negative 5, right? So we are subtracting negative 2. We are subtracting 2. So I always tell to my students, whenever we subtract, we need to like circle this integer sign and this one, right? So negative 5 minus 2. Can we take out positive 2 here? No, we cannot. So what we need to do is to add 2 here and another positive 1. Why? So technically this whole thing is equals to 0, right? So there's still negative 5. So, but we're using that so that we can remove what? The positive 2. Okay? So therefore, negative 5 now, take away 2, which is this one now, right? Take this out. So how many were left? Awesome. It's equals to negative 5. Negative 7, not 5. So the answer is negative 7 because I have all of this as negative 7 as the answer. Okay? So we'll have another example. So number 2 here. So I have 8 take away negative 6. Okay? So basically I have what? 8 here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So we need to take away negative 6. Can you see negative 6 anything here? None, right? So what we need to do is we're going to add 6 0 pairs. So I have 1, 2, 2 0 pairs, 3, third one, and you have fourth one, you have 6, fifth one, and you have the last one. Okay. Oops. Okay. So here, the whole thing here, sorry. So remember, this whole thing is 0, right? But since we need to take out negative 6, we need to add 6 0 pairs. So now, you think can we remove now negative 6 here? Yeah, that's it. We can literally take out the negative 6, right? So take this out, all of this. So how many were left? Okay, I have here 8, and I have here 4 positive and 2 positive. So how many is that in all? So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 positive. So there's a rule how to solve this kind of integers. So we call this example here, so negative 5, let's go back to number 2, negative 2, negative 5, minus 2. So you're going to circle those numbers, and you're going to keep this one, change, and change. So you're going to keep this one, right? Change the sign into plus sign, then you're going to change 2 to negative 2, or the opposite of that, so negative 2. Then you're going to perform the operation. So negative 5 plus negative 2, you're going to review your adding with like sign. You just need to add them, right? So 7 plus 2 is equals to 7, and same sign is negative. So the answer is negative 7, which is the same thing that we have here. Okay? So next we have here 8, right? Minus negative 6. So we have the word keep, change, change. Okay? So we have here now keep, change, change. So I have here 8. Make this positive, and negative 6 will become positive. So we're going to add that now. So therefore the answer is 14. Okay? So go ahead and copy these notes, because we're going to use the rule of subtracting integers with this concept without any model. So pause this video, and I'll give you 5 examples so that you can practice one. Alright, I hope you're done copying these notes. I'm going to erase this now, and we'll have more practice. Okay, I'll give you 5 more. So I will now clear this one. So I have to clear. So a lot of counters. So I hope you are so much ready for this one. Okay, so let's have number 1. So negative 8 minus 5. So I always ask my students to circle that. So negative 8 is the sign, and 5. Okay, so negative 8 minus 5. So you have keep, change, change. Okay, so negative 8 will stay. Make this a positive, and you have positive to negative 5. So you're going to follow the same rule. You have negative 8 plus negative 5 is you have negative 13. Okay. Next, we have another example. 9 minus negative 18. Okay. What will be the answer? So I will have again circle this, and I have keep, change, change. 9 plus positive 18. Okay, so if you add that, 18 plus 9, you have 17 carry 1, 27. And they're now both positive. Okay, so we have here number 3. We have 27 minus 30. Okay, that's a trick, right? So we have now here this one, here, and here. So what we're going to do is 27 plus negative 30. Okay, so therefore these, now you will subtract this because they're now unlike sign. So 30 minus 27 is what? 3, right? So 3. So the answer is 3. Which one has a greater integer? Negative 30, right? So you copy that sign. So the answer is negative 3. Right? So we have 4. We have 16 minus negative 8. Okay? So I will ask you to circle this. Circle and circle. Then keep, change. So you will have 16 plus positive 8, right? So you're going to add 16 plus 8 is, if I will don't want to say answer, I always ask my students to share their work. So 14 carry the 1, 24, and this positive 24. Okay? So I hope this will really help you a lot. So the main concept that you learn is you need to do first the keep, change step before you perform um, adding or subtracting the integers. Okay, and in general, that's how you subtract integers. All right. I hope this really helps you a lot in understanding today's concept. Thank you. I'll see you in a bit to discuss about multiplying and dividing integers.